Hello, this is Amen from Blue Byte Systems. In today's video, we're going to demo the latest version of the PDM Convert Extended task. And today's feature is adding quantities to the printed PDFs. I've got version 29 here of the PDM Convert task extended, and I'm going to create a new task. Let's call it PDM Converted or PDM Convert Extended, and I'll choose the add-in from the drop-down. You go and change the execution method to execute on my computer, and the only thing we have to change here is the settings. So I'm going to put in this location of C/BUM export. I don't need all the extensions, so I'm just going to use PDF. I'm going to leave the output file name as is. And I'm going to make sure that I export the reference document of the assembly that we are going to test on. Also, I want merged PDFs of those printed assemblies. I don't need to export all the configuration of the part assemblies. It doesn't make any sense since we're only doing PDFs, and I think I might have an extra semicolon there. So let me remove that from the output file types and then uncheck this. Now today's feature is concentrated in this group box right here, where we need to check this checkbox here and then specify the name of the custom property that the add-in will try to set the quantity of. So let's say that I'm going to get the quantity from the assembly components and then set that to the custom property called quantity. Now, if you already have a note that is linked to that custom property in your drawing, then you don't need to specify any of the XY coordinates or the prefix option here, because these two, if specified, will create a new node in the drawing and then print the PDF. So if you already have this as part of your templates, then just specify the quantity custom property, and if not, you will have to specify the location of a new node that the add task will insert into the drawing, as well as if you want to add like a prefix, like for example quantity space colon space, and that will add that prefix to the text. Obviously the add-in or the task will open the drawing in read-only mode, so we're not going to make any changes to the drawing. We're rather going to add this notation of the quantity in the PDF itself. All right, let's make sure that we have everything we need. We'll just OK this. And if I move over here to my File Explorer and I scroll all the way up here, I can right click on this drawing, or sorry, that assembly, that tasks, and then click on PDF Convert Extended, and this should kick off the process of printing the PDFs soon. It's starting. You can see it opened up SOLIDWORKS 2023. Do have the PDM add-in enabled here, so you need to confirm that dialog. So it's just grabbing the references and the quantities now, and once that's done, what the add-in will do is that it will open each drawing separately and then start setting that custom property that is linked by default, in my case, to a note. And as you can see, this quantity here will change here in a second. So that's quantity of 1. So if I move over to my export location, this is the top level assembly that was printed initially. If I were to double click here, open that, I can see that I have a quantity of 1. Obviously, if we choose to insert a note by specifying a location of XY, then that gives you the ability to say that you want the note to be inserted at a location in the upper right or upper left of the sheet, as well as being able to add a prefix. So that will save you the hassle of having to go back into your drawings and add that note. And a bunch of other PDFs are being created right now. If we go back to my task list, you can see the progress here. So we're almost halfway through this. And it looks like it actually completed the task. So looking at the merge PDFs or merge PDF, top level PDF has a quantity of 1. If you scroll down, this has a quantity of 3, this has a quantity of 5, and so on and so forth. Awesome. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me those over on LinkedIn and by email as well. You can reach out to me at amen@bluebyte.biz. I'll put all the contact detail information in the description of this video or the post on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.